That night, there was a lot of talk about on television that there could be some flooding. The sky turns the color of orange. It was like daylight, and it was raining, and it was very odd. And I said, girls, go get your clothes on, and let's just get ready to go. There was this rumble, and probably a minute later, the twins come out and said, Mom, a tree came through our room. I screamed to Carolina, grab Palin, and within seconds, the house was full with mud. We ran to the loft, and I got out on the roof of the garage. There was trees coming through the house. You could just see our bedrooms just being washed away. It was like Armageddon. You didn't know what was happening. And had we not gotten out of bed that night, things would be different. We were laughing. Flood insurance. The creek's way over there. I mean, it was football fields away. And it just was such an odd concept. 1 month before the flood, the Thomas Fire broke out in Ventura, Santa Paula. It burned the backcountry significantly. For sure, I don't think the damage of that flood would have been had the Thomas Fire not had happened. Because of the flood and how quickly it came down and because of the fire, we had trees, we had brush, we had rocks, we had boulders. Everything was destroyed. Because this type of flood, they gave us money immediately to just get us going. In rebuilding our home, we had to elevate our home 4.5 feet. And with that, we put in flood vents and worked with flood control down at the county, and I feel very safe there now. You could never predict this. I would never in a million years. I will always have flood insurance. I always questioned it. I'll never question it again.